Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing what matters. Make a full backup of your current theme and widget settings so you can revert if needed. Once done, open Blogger theme and enable the mobile preview to view responsive behavior. Next, create a working copy of your theme or a child template to edit safely. You do this because edits can break layout. Working on a copy keeps your live site intact while you test changes step by step. Now implement the core responsive mechanics. First, add the meta viewport tag to the head so devices scale correctly. Then replace fixed pixel widths with percentages and max widths, and switch grids to flexible units. After that, write CSS media queries targeting common breakpoints like 480px, 768px, and 1024px to adjust layout, font sizes, and sidebar behavior. Make sure to test images and embeds. Set max width, 100% and height. Auto media scales finish by rigorously testing across real phones, tablets, and the Chrome DevTools device simulator to catch issues that emulators miss. Make adjustments for touch targets, spacing, and readable font sizes. Simplify navigation into a mobile menu if needed. Once satisfied, publish the edited theme copy. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup, then isolate the problematic CSS by reapplying changes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.